IBM DOC Optimization Server is a framework designed by OR developers for OR developers. It is intended to enable both mathematical model developers and application developers to focus on their competencies while delegating infrastructure and architecture-related issues. As a software development company, we are very familiar with mathematical model developers and application developers spending a lot of time on infrastructure and architecture-related tasks, time where they could be focusing on their competencies. OR developers need to frequently test their algorithms, preferring to run local tests to avoid heavy deployments on servers. Expensive resources such as CPU and licenses have to be shared to save costs. Additionally, they need the ability to monitor real-time job execution and retrieve information of past runs. On the other hand, the IT development and deployment teams need to deploy using standard, open, and modern technologies with a focus on scalability, extensibility, and robustness. Similarly to the OR teams, development teams will need monitoring and replay execution capabilities. DOC Optimization Server is built to ease optimization development, deployment, and maintenance. It allows you to run any intensive computational jobs like Java, OPL, Python, or CPlex models. Take your model to the cloud and share your CPUs and licenses across multiple users and applications. Or deploy it locally with a minimal footprint. Monitor and manage the job executions through an interactive web console, retrieve information from past runs, check the log, and rerun the tasks in a click. DOC Optimization Server relies on a microservices architecture. The master acts as an orchestrator. It receives job requests and input data from the clients. It then looks for an available worker which can perform the task, and sends input to this worker. The worker executes the job and sends real-time feedback and results to the master. Each job log, input, and output are stored in the archive database and displayed by the web console. DOC Optimization Server provides monitoring and replay execution capabilities which can be accessed from its predefined web console. The web console has three main views that you can navigate on the left. It allows for interactive job creation. Drag and drop the inputs and run the task. Note that the web console is dynamically configured by the task description. No coding is required to support custom tasks input and output. Monitor the real-time job execution in the task view. Check the log and download the input, log, and output files. Use the job view to look for a past run, quickly spot failures, and drill down to investigate. A key benefit of the optimization server is that one can retrieve historical input conditions and replay job executions to monitor any failure, allowing for exact reproduction of identified issues. The optimization server comes with embedded CPlex, CPO, and OPL workers. It includes IBM CPlex Optimizer for both mixed integer programming and constraint programming. DOC OS allows for full customization. It provides libraries and templates to develop custom workers that will support any kind of CPU-intensive computation. No code is needed to configure the web console for the custom workers. Finally, DOC Optimization Server is compatible with any kind of input and output. These are transferred and stored in binary format. DOC OS integrates with external applications via REST API. The Open API standard is used to allow the generation of a higher-level API in a large number of frameworks and languages. The optimization server supports a local deployment using Docker Compose and an industrial deployment thanks to the full Kubernetes and OpenShift compatibility. Docker Compose allows for quick deployments while developing the application. Kubernetes OpenShift can be used for industrial deployment. They provide full scalability, automation, resources monitoring, and failover capabilities. DOC Optimization Server allows for a smooth transition to the full DOC platform. Transform your model to a full-blown decision support application for business users. DOC Optimization Server encapsulates the IT complexity to enable OR and IT experts to focus on their core competencies. Make the most out of your time and resources with this lean, flexible, yet powerful task server. For more details, get in contact with us today and ask for a free DOC Optimization Server demo tailored to your specific technical needs.